Hello everyone, welcome to Tech GB. Today I'm here with a brand new video teaching you how to make money by clicking surveys. So today the app we will be talking about is Big Token. Big Token is an app that allows you to click survey and start making money. So all you need to do is to use your Gmail and the US number to sign up to the app, and then you start clicking survey. Just they ask simple question, not that serious. It's not that hard. You can easily click. Most of them are yes or no. Then if you want to make more money from this app, you just need to click on the refer, invite friends. Then any friend you invite, you will get paid for inviting a friend. And not just that, also you can make a lot of money with it. So right now I have 1272.95 points. So automatically it pays to PayPal, and also is available in few countries, as you can see, mostly US, Canada, and UK. So it's very easy. You can redeem your 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 money through PayPal. It's not that hard. So if you do love this video, please subscribe, click the notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post my next video, and I will also drop the link on the description. So in the description. So you see I have $12.73. So let's let's go and do some surveys. So this how it works. They just need to ask you some question and you give answer, and you earn points. That point will be converted to 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 dollars. So whenever you earn money is converted, like this one is 3.35 points. So they just need to ask you a little questions like, when looking for a job, what is your primary goal? So they said enter or re-enter the workforce, advance your career, keep doing what you are doing, but for a different anything with a a okay, anything with a livable salary. I prefer this one. Change your career path, others. So you just have to click done. Once you click done, the amount will be added to your points. So let's check my point. Recently I have 1272.95. So after the survey, 3 points will be added. Let's just wait for a little minute. Please do subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell icon to get notified, and also I will drop the link in the description below. So as you can see, it is now 1276.3 points, so which is 0.30. So whenever you invite a friend, you get money for that. And there is no all the time you do, there is survey every day. So you just have to click on the survey. You just have to do some surveys and start any point. This is legit, no scam. And also, if you do love this video, please drop a comment, click on the like, and subscribe to my channel for more future videos. Have a wonderful day.